tonight we are here in my kitchen and we are getting ready to work on the shelving unit up here above our tool cart. You may have seen our review video of this Harbor Freight tool cart that we added here in our kitchen. It fits really well with our industrial farmhouse vibe that we have going on in here. We did have some extra pipe from when we did our laundry room and master bathroom shelving. And I want to show you what happened when we just did this one shelf up here. It's not the way that I ever really wanted it. So we're fixing that tonight and we're bringing you guys along. Okay, so you can see here that this is kind of leaning. It is not perpendicular with the brick wall, as you can tell. You can also see that my dehydrator does not fully fit on here, so that it has always been a goal of mine to get this fixed. I did invest in another kit here for putting a couple of shelves up there. That's where my KitchenAid will go and everything. So anyway, we are getting ready to work on that. And there's a guy in here that thinks he's being left out. So let's see. What is your problem, mister? Huh? Do you think you're being left out? You poor mistreated thing. Look at you. Silly boy. He's looking for his best buddy. Guys, I'm going to teach you a little lesson about why you should always read product descriptions. I clearly did not. I thought I was buying from the same seller and buying the exact same product, but I wasn't. So here is my issue. I took off the rod that was hanging up there. This is from our previous kit. You can tell that's probably like a ½ an inch or something. And this one is probably like a ½ inch. So you can see, I mean, I knew instantly when I unboxed this one that it was way smaller. You can tell there, that's not going to fit in there. And I mean, if you look at these, can you see those side by side? Yeah, you can tell that those are clearly two different sizes. So then I opened this thing and look at this. Wow, like, okay, obviously those are two different sizes, right? So anyway, I guess we're not going to be able to use the ones that I already had on the wall. So we're going to have to take these down and start from scratch. We are making our preparations. We have filled in our holes. We've taken down the other things that were here. And Art has marked the studs for me. I may go ahead and drill out my holes, and then I'm going to go ahead and repaint this wall today and the ceiling. As you can see, this is still a beige color in here, and we're gradually changing everything over to grays. And here is our nearly finished project. You'll see that we still have a little bit of staining left to do, but we are really loving this layout. We changed it up a little bit so that we could do a 3-tier. I hope you guys will stick around because we've got a new video coming very soon where we show you the complete breakdown of our kitchen remodel. If you have any questions about this project, please do comment below. We would love to answer those for you. And we hope that you'll remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. Have a great day.